You bite into a bagel and feel something hard that shouldn't be there. That's your crown, sitting loose in your mouth. Here in Brooklyn, it happens mid-meal more than you'd think. The tooth underneath has no protection now. Cold water feels like an electric jolt on that one spot. Wait too long and the exposed tooth can crack or decay further. First, we check the crown itself under the light. Smooth inside with clean edges means a simple re-cement. Rough or pitted inside with decay at the edge means it's replacement territory. Run your tongue over the tooth. A lost crown leaves a filed-down stump, sometimes gray, sometimes with a metal post. A chip still keeps its natural shape. Bring the crown in a tissue or small container. Don't glue it yourself. Bright smile. Design takes an X-ray, cleans the tooth, and tries the old crown back in first. If it's cracked, we build a new one with digital impressions. Don't wait weeks with a bare tooth in your mouth. Bright Smile Design offers same-day lost crown replacement right here in Brooklyn. Call us today to get that tooth covered again.